What are you doing?
Yes.
Making a mess? Oh, are you giving her a milk bath?
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's go.
Oh. A milk bath. Oh, look at that. Wow. And you're working so hard at the mess. My word. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. I see. Uh-huh. And she needs more. Right on her foot, yes. Yes, and we wipe it. Mm-hmm.
I like.
Wipe. And more, a little more milk. Okay. Yeah. Hmm.
My mess.
Your mess, yes. Yes, it is your mess. And spread it around. Spread it around. So good for the floors. Wow. Wow. Mm.
Yep. Stops. Soap.
Don't suck and eat that.
Don't.
Don't eat the tissue.
Yeah.
Don't eat the tissue. It's bad enough you're making this mess.